Hi everyone, Becca here, and in today's video we are going to be looking at the fill down feature under the Power Query editor. Now you can see on your screen here a scenario where you have a data set that has empty spaces, and we want to use the fill down feature under the Power Query editor to fill in all these empty spaces. Now what the fill down feature does is that it picks the data above the empty cell and fills it with that information. Okay, so we are going to be filling every empty cell here with the data above it. And that is what the fill down feature does for us. Now, this is our problem of the day. And this is a solution we are going to provide. Now, moving right into the video, first of all, we'll have to convert our data into a table by hitting on the Control key and the T key on your keypad. Now here, if your data has headers, you just ensure that it's checked here and you click on OK. We can choose from any of the table styles here, but I would like to go for the neutral. So I click on that. And from the data tab, from the get and transform data group, I hit on table or range, and that will launch me into the Power Query editor. So here you can see our data sets with the empty spaces being shown here as null. And to fill them, you have to ensure you select the column that has the null data sets. From the transform bar here, under the any column group, you could see the fill command here. You click on the drop down menu and select down, and you would realize that your empty cells have been filled with the data above using the fill down feature. We do same for the next column, that is the location column. So now let's confirm the other columns to be sure that there aren't any empty spaces there. Okay, so we are good to go. Now you can see from the apply steps pane here that all your transformations are being recorded. Any changes you make or any steps you apply here is being recorded here at the apply steps pane. Okay. Now, once you are satisfied with all that, you can go ahead and close and load. So from the home tab here, you click on close and load command here, and you select your close and load, and Power Query populates your data for you in another sheet. You can go ahead and save your workbook. Thank you for joining in today. We believe this was helpful. Do follow us on all social media platforms. We are FredExcel on all platforms. Share this video and join in next time with us as we take you through another transformation to using Power Query Editor. Thank you and see you next time.